Hello teacher, this is my oral presentation, English level 2. This is me in Cartagena. I'm a business administration student. I'm from Bogota, but I'm living in Acacias. I like playing guitar, watching movies and series, and riding big bike. This is me with my sister. Uh, okay, I'm going to tell you about my holidays in Cartagena. And my experience, this is my experience. I went to Cartagena with a lot of people. We are around 25 people. We stayed in a big house of 3 floors, a huge house on one pool, 6 large rooms, a jacuzzi, a sauna, and a Turkish bath, 2 living rooms, and another great things. We could visit a lot of tourist places like San Felipe Castle, the old town, its beautiful beaches, um, and another great places. We had a lot of parties in the big house and in the city. Cartagena weather description. The weather in Cartagena is very sunny and windy, and it hardly rains. The whole day is warm and the night too. The weather in Cartagena almost never changes. I remember we had to sleep with the windows open and the air conditioning on. Recommendation. This is some recommendations to visit Cartagena. I recommend you to visit the water city in the day and the night. The water city is located in the heart of Cartagena. And there you will find a array of hotels, restaurants, thematic bars, shops, and other incredible things. And it's important to do a reservation in a good hotel to spend a nice time in that beautiful city. And it's a good idea learn about the history of Cartagena before to travel there. Have some drinks at sunset or coffee. It's a good idea to end a great day. And what people should and shouldn't do in Cartagena. Uh, the people should exercise in the beach. They should lunch in the best restaurants of Cartagena. The people should eat typical food. And people should walk through the wild sea at night. The people should not throw trash on the beach. People shouldn't visit Cartagena for sex tourism. People should make their lunch on the beaches. This is all. Thank you so much.